Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make a really simple dessert which I call custard pudding, custard and jelly pudding in any way. It is really simple and easy to make. Let me take you with ingredients so we can get started. We're gonna need some full cream or full fat milk liquid. We're gonna need some cream, granulated sugar, custard powder, and over here this is China grass, and they are already colors. If you can't find the colors, China grass, agar, just use a plain white one and then add food color, green and red. So we're gonna need that. We're gonna need some vanilla extract. Now the custard that I'm using, it is vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor you want, example like mango flavor or strawberry flavor, but I just like vanilla flavor custard, so we're gonna use that. And let's go to the stove so we can get started. Just add the water to your pan. We're gonna cook this jelly, the China grass, one color at a time. So before the water gets into boil, add your jelly, your China grass, and we're gonna bring this to a boil or until all the China grass has been melted. We don't see any little bit pieces or chunk in it. Jelly is melting, and we're gonna boil this a little bit more until everything gets like smooth, melted. And then I got this bowl right here, and then I'm gonna just transfer this to the bowl. We're gonna let that set. Turn the heat off, and our jelly is boiling, and now I'm gonna transfer to a heat proof bowl. This has to set. And I have the same amount of water here, and the jelly is also the same amount. Written ingredient is going to be down below in the description box. And now we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna boil this, let it boil, and then transfer into a bowl to let it set. And then we're gonna move to the next step. I got a saucepan here which is cold, it's not hot. I didn't turn the heat on or anything, so I have just add the milk. Now I'm gonna add the custard powder, and then as the milk cold, we're gonna stir this until completely we don't see any lumps, just like that. And now I'm gonna turn the heat on low, and then we're gonna cook this custard for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add sugar, cream, and vanilla extract. Mix and keep stirring, and we're gonna let this cook until the mixture becomes thicker. It's been exactly 10 minutes and the custard is cooking, and it is getting thicker. The consistency, this is what you're looking for right now. And I want to give this for like another 2 minutes of cooking, and then I'm gonna turn the heat off, and then it's gonna be like ready just to assemble. Okay, so our custard is ready. So I brought my jelly back. I let it set in the fridge while we were making the custard, and the jelly is already set. Coconut is an option. If you want to top your dessert, your custard, with shredded coconut, that's an option. You can do that, or you can just skip it. Now while you're waiting to assemble your dessert, your custard, and cutting your jelly, you have to keep stirring the custard because it will create like a crust on top, and like you're not gonna like it. It's just gonna be like a waste. So keep stir this custard time to time, and consistency will be this. And now I'm just gonna take a knife and I'm just gonna cut the jelly into small pieces, small cubes. Cut the green one the same way as well. I'm just gonna take a glass, just a regular glass, and I'm gonna fill the glass in the bottom with some jelly, green and red both. Now this is really depend on you. You can decorate or arrange or like set anything the way you like to do things. And then the custard goes on top. Okay, halfway I'm gonna put some more jelly, and then we're gonna top this again with the custard. Just like that. And then the top will be an option if you want to just spread some shredded coconut. And up to you, some jelly. Or you can put maraschino cherry as well. Like, do as you wish. And I'm gonna, this is already looking so pretty, I'm just gonna fill everything and then I'm gonna show you. And the dessert is ready. It is quick, simple, easy, it is pretty, it is beautiful, and it tastes so good. I have already eaten the leftover in the saucepan. It is so good. Adding the cream to your custard brings your dessert in another level. You're gonna try it to know. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to click that like button. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. And I want to leave you. I'm gonna go enjoy this pretty dessert, and I will see you next time. Bye.